I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view.
Hello guys, welcome to today's video, which will be all about making pizza. We are going to start by making pizza dough, and for this all you need is all-purpose baking flour, yeast, sugar, salt, cooking oil, and some warm water. So to your baking flour, add your yeast, sugar and salt, and then mix everything before adding your water. Yeah, so we are adding sugar because yeast feeds on sugar, and warm water to activate the yeast. Yeah, so just a point to note, do not use hot water because using hot water is going to kill your yeast, and that's not what you want. Yeah.
If I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or
So
I'll come
continue
up
kneading
desperate.
your dough until you get the right consistency.
Baby, you'll get sick of
And for
being
this
the
you're going to need
monster out of
some
my
muscle
head, under
power.
my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like
So
cats and a
once you are
string.
done, oil
You
your
don't understand the pain
container
it brings.
and
You
place
don't
the
ever
dough
wanna give
inside,
me wings. You don't
cover
ever wanna
it
set me
and leave it
free.
for 1 hour. And leave it
But
for
if
1
I lay
hour.
down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will
So guys, as we await for our dough to rise, I will be preparing pizza toppings and pizza sauce. Yeah, so for the toppings, I will be using beef, and that's what we are marinating. Using black pepper, some paprika, salt, and some cooking oil. Yeah, so for the spices that you are going to use, it depends on the spices you like. As for me, that's what I've used. Yeah. So next I'm going to prepare my pizza sauce ingredients, which is tomatoes and garlic.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
So for the pizza sauce, I'll be just using the same oil that I used to fry my meat to have all that flavor of the meat inside the sauce. And in my sauce, I will be adding the garlic that we crushed, some salt, some oregano leaves, that is some oregano, and then later I'm going to add some tomato sauce. Yeah, and for the tomato sauce, if you have ketchup, well and good, you can still use it. So now everything is ready, and this is what I will use to dress my pizza. I have shredded mozzarella cheese, fried beef, green and red bell peppers, onions, and pizza sauce on the side. So you need to grease your tray with some oil before putting the dough in the tray. And then spread the dough. After that, you are going to make some holes in your pizza dough using a fork. Apply the sauce and other toppings, starting with your mozzarella cheese. Yeah, and at the end, don't forget to sprinkle some oregano. Yeah. So when I was dressing my pizza, my oven was preheating for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. So I'll go ahead and put my pizza and cook it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And now our pizza is ready. I'll just go ahead and cut them into pieces. Yeah. Yeah, so since I'm the only one here who eats pizza, I'll be putting some in the fridge and eat the rest. Yeah, so guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.